Hello students, welcome back. Let's do simple linear equations, exercise 14a. Page number 165, we have to solve equations. So we have question 1 here, solve this equation, questions 1 and 2. Now we are going to use the transposing method. So we have to find the value of x, that is the meaning of solving equations. To find the value of the unknown quantity. And in this case, the unknown quantity is x. So let's begin. X plus 5 is equal to 10. So to find the value of x, we leave x on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we keep 10 as it is. Now we are going to move plus 5, which is on the left hand side, to the right hand side. We are going to transpose it. So when you transpose, plus becomes minus. So plus 5 will now become minus 5 and we can solve this. So x is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. So we have solved for x here. The value of x in this question is 5. Question 2. Here the unknown quantity is y. So we will leave the unknown quantity on the left hand side. On the right hand side, leave 7 as it is. Let's transpose 2. Now 2 is plus 2. We are going to transpose it to the right hand side. It's going to become minus 2. So now we can solve for y. Y is equal to 7 minus 2, which is 5. So the answer here is, in this equation, y is equal to 5. Questions 3 and 4. Now question 3, the unknown quantity is a. So let's try and solve and find the value of a. A is equal to, on the right hand side we have 6, we'll leave it as it is. We'll transpose minus 2 to the right hand side, that will become plus 2. So we can find the value of a by adding 6 plus 2, that is 8. So we have found the value of a here. A is equal to 8. Question 4, the unknown quantity is x. So let's solve for x. X is equal to 8 as it is, minus 5, we are transposing to the right hand side, that becomes plus 5. So the value of x is equal to 8 plus 5 is 13. So the value of x in this question is 13. Question 5. The unknown quantity here is minus d. So 5 minus d is equal to 12. So we are going to find the value of d by starting like this. Minus d is equal to 12. Now 5 is transposed to the other side, so it becomes minus 5. So minus d is equal to 12 minus 5, which is 7. But we need to find the value of only d. So we're going to remove this minus sign from d and we need to put it on the other side. So now the value of d is minus 7. Question 6. 3p is equal to 12. 3p means 3 into p. 3 into p is equal to 12. So to solve for p, we say 12 divided, because we are going to transpose 3, which is multiplication, to the other side. So it is divided by 3. So the value of p is equal to 12 divided by 3, that is 4. So we found the answer. P is equal to 4. Question 7. 14 is equal to 7m. So here we're going to leave 14 here. This is equal to 7m means 7 into m. So since we're going to find the value of m, we're going to leave m on the right hand side as it is. Here we have 14. We're going to transpose 7 from the right hand side to the left. Because it is multiplication there, here it becomes division. So 14 by 7. So 14 by 7 is 2, which is the value of m. So we found the answer. M is equal to 2. We have solved for m. The value of m is 2. Question 8. 2x is equal to 0. This means 2 into x is equal to 0. So now to find the value of x, we write 0 as it is. We are transposing 2, which is multiplication, to the right hand side. It's going to become division, so it's divided by 2. Now x is equal to 0 divided by 2 is 0. So our answer here is x is equal to 0. Question 9. Here, the unknown quantity is x. So we're going to find the value of x. So here it is x divided by 9. So when we transpose 9 to the right hand side, it becomes multiplication because it is division here. So on the right hand side, we have 2. We're going to leave it as it is. We're going to transpose 9 to the right hand side. So that becomes multiplication. So the value of x is equal to 2 into 9, which is 18. So the answer is x is equal to 18. Question 10. Y by minus 12 is equal to minus 4. So we are going to solve for y. So we're going to leave it on the left hand side. Minus 4 as it is on the right hand side. We're going to transpose minus 12 to the right hand side. Here on the left it is division, but when it goes to the right hand side it becomes multiplication. Multiplied, so here minus 12. So now we can find the value of y. Let's multiply. Minus into minus is plus. 4 into 12, or 12 fours are 48. So the value of y in this question is plus 48. Question 3. 8x minus 2 is 38. That means 8 into x, isn't it? 8x is 8 into x. Minus 2 is 38. So let's leave what is in the brackets as it is. 8 into x. Now we are going to transpose minus 2 to the right hand side. So that becomes plus 2. So what does this mean? It means 8 into x is equal to 38 plus 2 is 40. So now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 40. Now let's transpose 8 to the right hand side. It's multiplication here, so it becomes division. So 40 divided by 8. So x is equal to 40 divided by 8 is 5. 8 5s are 40. So that is the value of x in this question. Question 12. 2x plus 5 is equal to 5. So 2x means 2 into x plus 5 is equal to 5. So let's leave 2 into x as it is here because we're going to solve for x, isn't it? So 2 into x is equal to 5. Now let's transpose plus 5 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 5. So 2 into x, 2 into x is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0. So if we have to find the value of x, we say 0 divided by 2 because we are transposing 2 to the other side. So 0 divided by 2. So what is the value of x? 0 divided by 2 is 0. So the value of x in this question is 0. Question 30. 5x minus 1 is equal to 74. 5x means 5 into x. 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 74. So 5 into x is equal to 74. Now let's transpose minus 1 to the other side. It becomes plus 1. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. So 5 into x is equal to 75. Therefore, to find the value of x, we write 75 divided by 5 because we have transposed 5 from here to the right hand side. It's become division. So let's divide 75 by 5 and get our answer. 5 ones are 5 minus 2 and 5, 25. 5 fives are 25 minus 0. So here we've got 15 as our answer. So x is equal to 15. We have solved for x in this question The value of x is 15. Question 14. 14 is equal to 27 minus x. Now here we have x as with a minus sign. So let's transpose it to the left side to make it plus. So minus x will now become x. Then this 27 will remain there itself. We will transpose 14 to the other side. Plus 14 becomes minus 14. So x is equal to 27 minus 14. So let's subtract 27 and 14. 7 minus 4 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. So x is equal to 13. So in this question, the value of x is 13. Question 15. 10 plus 6a equals 40. So that is 10 plus 6 into a. 6 into a is equal to 40. So we're going to solve for a. So let's write 6 into a is equal to 40. And we're going to transpose 10, which is plus, to the other side. It becomes minus 10. So 6 into a is 40 minus 10, which is 30. Now to find the value of a, we write 30 divided by 6 because it is multiplication on the other side. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 6 5s are 30. So the value of a is 5. So this is our answer. A is equal to 5. Question 16. C minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 3. So we're going to solve for C. So we will write C on, keep it on the left hand side itself. On the right hand side, we have 1 by 3. We're going to transpose minus 1 by 2 to the other side. It will become plus 1 by 2. Now to find the value of C, we have to work out 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So let's do that. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Now this is addition of fractions. So let's find the LCM of 3 and 2. So that is 3, 1 and 2, 2, 1 and 1. So LCM is 3 into 2, which is 6. So let's use the LCM 6 here as a common denominator. Now 3 2s are 6, so 1 2s are 2 plus 2 3s are 6, so 1 3s are 3. So here we have 3. Now 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 by 6. So the value of C is 5 by 6. So this is our answer here. The answer to this question is C is equal to 5 by 6. Question 17. A by 15 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we are going to solve for A. So A by 15 is equal to 0. Now we are transposing minus 2 to the other side. It becomes plus 2. So A by 15 is equal to 2. So to solve for A, we say 2 into 15 because we have transposed 15 from the left hand side to the right hand side. Division has become multiplication. So we have solved for A. A is equal to 2 into 15 is 30. So we've got the answer for A. A is equal to 30. Question 18. 12 is equal to C minus 2. So since C is positive, we will leave it on the right hand side itself and we will solve it. So on the left hand side, we have 12. On the right hand side, we have C. Let's transpose minus 2 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 2. So 12 plus 2 is 14, which is the value of C. So we've got our answer. C is equal to 14. This is the answer to question 18. Next question. Question 19. Now here also we have x on the right hand side. Since x is positive, we will leave it on the right hand side and solve it. So here we have 4 equals x, and we are going to transpose minus 2.5 to the left hand side. It becomes plus 2.5. So now we need to add 4 plus 2.5. 4 plus 2.5. Now we need to make them like decimals, so point and 0, 5.6. So here we found the addition sum. This is equal to 6.5, which is the value of x. So we have solved for x. We have found the value of x to be 6.5. Question 20. Y plus 5 equals 8 1 by 4. So let's solve for y. So y will be 8 1 by 4 minus 5. We have transposed plus 5, so it's become minus 5. So to find the value of y, we need to do this subtraction. So let's do that. 8 1 by 4 minus 5. So let's convert. 4 8s are 32 plus 1, 33 by 4 minus 5 by 1. So the LCM will be 4 because the other number is 1. Now let's find the new numerators. 4 into 1 is 4. So 33 into 1 is 33 minus 1 4s are 4. So 5 4s are 20. Now 33 minus 20. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So we've got 13. 13 by 4. Now let's convert this to a mixed number. 13 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. What is remaining is 1 to make it 13. And the denominator is 4. So this is 3 1 by 4. And that is the value of y. Y is 3 1 by 4 in this question. So we have solved this. So the answer is 3 1 by 4. Question 21. Here we are finding the value of x. So we're going to leave x on the left hand side, and on the right we have minus 3 by 8. On the left we have plus 1 by 4, which we are going to transpose to the right hand side. It will become minus 1 by 4. So to find the value of x, we need to work out this fractions subtraction here. So minus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Now, first we have to find the LCM because the denominators are different. They are unlike fractions. So let's do it by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. And again by 2. 1 and 1. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So our LCM here for this question is 8. So now let's see. 8 1s are 8, so minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. 4 2s are 8, so minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So here we have minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8. So that is our answer to this question. The value of x here is minus 5 by 8. Next question, p plus 0.02 is equal to 0.08. So we are going to solve for p. So on the right hand side we have 0.08 and we are going to transpose this to the right hand side. It becomes minus 0.02. So to find the value of p, we need to subtract these two numbers. So let's do that. 0.08 minus 0.02. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 0, 0. So here we found the value of p to be 0.06. So this is our answer here. P is equal to 0.06. Question 23. Here also the unknown quantity is p. So let's leave this unknown quantity on the left hand side. On the right we have 2 by 3. We'll leave it as it is. Let's transpose minus 12 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 12. So we have to work out 2 by 3 plus 12 to find the value of p. So let's do that. 2 by 3. Let's convert. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 8 by 3 plus 12. So here we'll give it the denominator 1. The LCM will be 3. Now 3 1s are 3. So 8 1s are 8 plus 1 3s are 3. So 12 into 3 is 36. Now 36 plus 8. Let's add it up. 36 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 44. So let's divide 44 by 3. 3 1s are 3 minus 1, 14. 3 4s are 12. minus 2. So we'll convert this to an improper fraction. So what do we have here? Now when we write everything together, we have 14, 2 by 3, which is a mixed number. So we have found the value of p in this question to be 14, 2 by 3. So the final answer, p is equal to 14, 2 by 3. Question 24. Minus 3x is equal to 15. Minus 3x means minus 3 into x is equal to 15. Now to solve for x, we're going to write 15 as it is. We're going to transpose minus 3, which is multiplication, to the other side. It becomes division by minus 3. So to solve for x, we have to divide 15 by minus 3. So here it's a plus sign. So plus into minus is minus 15 divided by 3. 3 fives are 15. So here the answer is minus 5. Question 25. 1.3b is equal to 39. That means 1.3 into b is equal to 39. So we are going to solve for b. So b is equal to 39 and 1.3 on this side is multiplication. So when it moves to the right hand side, it becomes division. So that is 39 divided by 1.3. So to find the value of b, we need to divide 39 by 1.3. Let's do that. 39 divided by 1.3. When your divisor is a decimal number, you must convert it to a whole number. So 1.3 must now become 13, and that is possible only if the point moves one place away to the right, and we can move that point only if we multiply by 10. And if you multiply denominator by 10, you must multiply the numerator also by 10. So what do we have now? 39 into 10 is 390. 1.3 into 10 is 13. So let's divide 390 by 13. 13 threes are 39 minus, so we have 0. So now we have 30 as our answer. 30 is our answer. So B is equal to 30. So we have found the value for B in this question to be 30. Question 26. 5 by 8n means 5 by 8 into n, and that is equal to 20. So now we're going to solve for n. So 20 will be as it is on the right hand side. We're going to transpose 5 by 8 to the right hand side. Here it is multiplication. So when it goes there, it becomes division, which is divided by 5 by 8. So we can solve for n by doing this division. So this will be 20 divided by 5 by 8. So I'll make it 20 by 1. Now this has become division of fractions. And we know how to work out division of fractions. So 20 by 1 as it is. The division changes to multiplication. 5 by 8 becomes 8 by 5, the reciprocal. Now we can cancel. 5 fours are 20. So here we have 4 8s are 32. So now we have found the value of n to be 32. So this is our answer. The value of n is 32. Question 27. 3 by 16m equals 21. That means 3 by 16 into m is equal to 21. So let's find the value of m. Now 21 remains as it is. 3 by 16, which is multiplication, will move to the other side and become division. So 3 by 16, I'll write divided by 3 by 16. Now, if we have to find the value of m, we need to first work out 21 divided by 3 by 16. So let's do that. 21 divided by 3 by 16. So this will make it a fraction 21 by 1. So that will be 21 by 1. Division changes to multiplication. 3 by 16 becomes 16 by 3. Now let's cancel. 3 sevens are 21. we have to multiply 16 into 7. So let's multiply 16 into 7. 7 sixes are 42, carry 4. 7 ones are 7 plus 4 is 11. So we have got 112. So the value of m here in this question is 112. Question 28. 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. So we can find the value of 2a first. So 5 will remain as it is. Minus 3, when you transpose it, becomes plus 3. Now 2a is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. So to find the value of a, we write 8 divided by 2. Because here on the left hand side it is multiplication. When it is transposed to the other side, it becomes division. So the value of a is equal to 8 divided by 2. 2 fours are 8. So we have got our answer. The value of a is 4. Question 29. 3p minus 1 equals 8. So that means 3 into p minus 1 is equal to 8. So 3 into p is equal to 8. And when we transpose minus 1 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. So that means 3 into p is equal to 9. We can find the value of p by dividing 9 by 3. Division, because 3 is on the left hand side multiplication. So when I transpose it to the right, it becomes division. 9 divided by 3. So the value of p is equal to 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the answer here is 3. The value of p is 3. 30th question. 9y means 9 into y. Minus 7 equals 20. So 9 into y will be equal to 20 plus 7, because here it is minus 7. So 9 into y is equal to 20 plus 7 is 27. So therefore, to find the value of y, we have to divide 27 by 9. Division, because here 9 is multiplication. So what is the value of y? 27 divided by 9. 9 threes are 27. So the value of y in this question is 3. Question 31. 2b minus 14 is equal to 8. So that is 2 into b minus 14 equals 8. So 2 into b will be equal to 8. Now when I transpose minus 14, it's going to become plus 14. So 8 plus 14. So 2 into b. 2 into b is equal to 8 plus 14 is 22. So to find the value of b, we are going to divide 22 by 2. Because I've transposed 2 from the left to the right, it becomes division. 22 divided by 2 is 11, because 2 11s are 22. So the value of b here is 11. This is our answer. B is equal to 11. 32. 7 by 10x, that is 7 by 10 into x plus 6 is equal to 41. So 7 by 10 into x is equal to 41. Now when you transpose plus 6 to the other side, it becomes minus 6. So 7 by 10 into x is equal to 41 minus 6. Let's minus 41 and 6. Now this is 3. 11 minus 6 is 5. So 35. This is 35. So to find the value of x, we say 35. Now here 7 by 10 is multiplication. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So divided by 7 by 10. Now to find the value of x, we have to divide 35 by 7 by 10. Let's do that division here. Now 35 divided by 7 by 10 will make it a fraction. 35 by 1. Now this becomes 35 by 1, division changes to multiplication. 7 by 10 becomes 10 by 7, and I can cancel here. 7 5s are 35. Now I just have to multiply 5 into 10. 5 tens are 50. So I have found the value of x to be 50. So this is my answer. The value of x is 50. 33. 5 by 12 m minus 12 equals 48. That means 5 by 12 into m. Now minus 12 is equal to 48. Since we're going to solve for m, we're going to leave this on the left hand side. 5 by 12 into m equals 48. Now I'm going to transpose minus 12 to the other side. It becomes plus 12. So now we are going to solve for m. So before that, 5 by 12 into m is equal to, how much is 48 plus 12? 48 plus 12. 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1, 60. 5 by 12 into m is 60. So to solve for m, we write 60. Now here 5 by 12 is multiplication. So when it goes to the right hand side, it becomes division divided by 5 by 12. So if we have to find the value of m, we have to work out this division, which we'll do here. 60 divided by 5 by 12. 60 by 1. So now let's write this. 60 by 1. Division becomes multiplication. 5 by 12 becomes 12 by 5. Now I can cancel. 5 12s are 60. Now I need to multiply 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144. So I have solved that. I have found the value of m to be 144. So our final answer is m is equal to 144. So that was our last sum in this exercise. With that, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.